This presentation is for the Module 5 of Subject 18 CS55, Web Scraping, Session 2. Web Scraping, the contents. In this session, we will be studying about downloading files from the web with the request module. Downloading files from the web with the request module. The request module lets you easily download files from the web without having to worry about the network problem, errors, connection problem, and data compression. The request module doesn't come with the Python, so you'll have to install it first from the command line using pip install request. If you need to download things from the web, just use the request module. To do a simple test to make sure the request module installed is correctly, enter the following code, import request. If there is no error message, then the request module has been successfully installed. Downloading a web page with the request.get function. The request.get function takes a string of URL to download. By calling type on request.get, it returns the value. You can see that it returns a response object which contains the response that the web server gave for your request. The following code, import request and the request.get and the website. Type result. It returns the status code request.code.ok is true. Checking for errors. The response object has a status code attribute that can be checked against request.codes.ok to see whether the download is succeeded. A simpler way to check for success is to call for raise for status method on the response object. This will raise an exception if there was an error in downloading the file and will do nothing if the download succeeded. The code for this is request.get, the URL result.res.raise for status. We are going to raise for the status. And this code, it specifies whether the error has occurred or not. Saving download files to the hard drive. To write the web page to a file, you can use a for loop with the response object's iterative content method. We import the request and request.get for the website. It raised for the status whether the downloading is correct or not, and it is iterated for to repeat for the chunk. The iterative content method returns chunks of the content on each iteration through the loop. Each chunk is the byte of data type, and you get to specify how many bytes each chunk will contain. 100,000 bytes is generally a good size, so pass 1 lakh as the argument to iterative content. The complete process for downloading and saving a file. Call request.get to download the file. Call open with WB to create a new file to in write binary mode. Loop over the response object's iterative content method. Call write on each iteration to write the content to the file, and call close to close the file. As long as you have a URL, the web browser module lets user cut out the step of opening and browser and directing themselves to a website. Other programs could use this functionality to do the following. Open all links on the page with separate browser tabs. Open the browser to the URL for your local weather. Open several social network sites that you regularly check. End of session 2. Thank you.